Yeah, no screws on your ass. Breaking shit off, proper. Straight from the north side, Midwest with that cess in your chest. Yeah. Now as I slide through the city in my ride, smoking on that dank, can't go tilted to the side. Dipping through traffic, running lights through the strip, straight mob. So nigga don't even trip, I'm gripping a fit for they yak. Sit back like the map, peek my folks in the ham. COP is where it's at, so don't trip. My click runs thick, talk shit, fool around and find yourself in a ditch while time slip. Grip I'll always make, bitches I'll always break. Fakes I'll always shake, cause they ain't Nathan but snakes. But all you true real G's, y'all can ride with me. And if you down to my food, you can vibe with me. Now as I mob through your city, hit 'em up with that strap, wow. As I pack my 4-5 and bounce the strip, nigga. Now as I mob through your city, hit 'em up with that strap, wow. As I pack my 4-5 and bounce the strip, nigga. Now as I mob through your hood, nigga, you best duck, cause I got that number of big Taruka hanging about the black truck and claiming lives. I'm quick to get my mob on, and while you niggas talk shit, I'm rolling slow without the lights on. As I creep through your set with my thoughts on death, putting slugs in your chest. I guess he couldn't handle the SCREWS, cause I'll be dishing more bullets out in the Wild West. And meanwhile, smoking blunts of that kill, doing donut tail spin, flossing off goat grills. As I hit the north side, then glide to the east, straight mobbing down Cleveland. As I hit back streets, I keep my 9 on me at all times, homie. So stay the hell back unless you wanna die with your wig crack. I stack cheese, I'm out to make G's, sign a dotted line. For crime, take mine, nigga please. I'm all about mobbing, even if it means robbing your ass at last. I take your cash and then blast and dash and mash off to the next block. It's sideways for days and it don't stop, fool. Now as I mob through your city, hit 'em up with that strap, wow. As I pack my 4-5 and bounce the strip, nigga. Now as I mob through your city, hit 'em up with that strap, wow. As I pack my 4-5 and bounce the strip, nigga. Meanwhile, I'm straight MOBBIN. As I sip on gin, somebody's dying again. I can't help the simple fact that my mind ain't right, so I smoke out all day and lay low at night. And my intentions, they keep the bullets ripping, cause fools be set tripping. But nigga, I ain't even slipping. I guess it's just the way that I was raised, to always stick your chest out and never be afraid. They always say, the bigger the nigga, the bigger the ditch. The lower the sack, the bigger the gap, the bigger the column clip. And that's a trip, so I chose to stay on my toes, cause nobody know if my ass be next to go. So I mob with my niggas till the day that I die. Keep the blunts passing back and forth, keep your psychopathic high ride. So make sure the blunts is blazing and lit as I mob through a hood near you on this gangsta shit. Yeah, straight mobbing, 96, no screws, coming at you hard, and it's like that. So break that shit down. Now as I mob through your city, hit 'em up with that strap, wow. As I pack my 4-5 and bounce the strip, nigga. Now as I mob through your city, hit 'em up with that strap, wow. As I pack my 4-5 and bounce the strip, nigga. Now as I mob through your city, hit 'em up with that strap, wow. As I pack my 4-5 and bounce the strip, nigga. my psychopathic high and get wicked. I'm talking about some shit to leave a nigga bleeding in a ditch. Times is hard, so I find myself grabbing my heater and jacking motherfuckers, slinging Peter on the corner. Watch me run up on them with my black mask and kill they ass like pneumonia. So beat the techniques from this hustler. I never trust ya, so watch this young player buck ya. Cause every man be for himself, and plus these niggas be trippin'. So I be about my mail, and mail in the city that be hitting low bro. My bullets be ripping up in the CO, and I know a lot of niggas, they act scandalous. I tell ya, I done had a few niggas try to set me up for failure, but I ain't going out like that. I pack my weapon and I'm stepping rat-tat-tat-tat-tat on that ass. Nigga, just close your eyes and pray to God that you wake up, but you won't, cause it's a homicide. Slide back the hammer of the Glock and watch my bullet exit the chamber. To a head of a more high side in his ride. I crept inside, my bullets gliding to his head, he's dying. I'm being watched by some hoes, so I dumped him out the door and matched off in his 5.0. And now I'm flossing and thinking it's just a jack, but deep inside I knew I couldn't handle that. Cause now I'm fucking with a murder case, and since I wasn't prepared, this stupid bitch might recognize my face. I told my homie about my problem and explained on what happened, on how I robbed them and left them bleeding in the street dead. Nigga, 357 Magnum bullet to the head, he said I'll be back, so nigga just lay low. I got to make an important phone call at the corner store. Cool, I'll be waiting and anticipating, and all of a sudden, one time raided, swooped on a young black troop, and now I'm chillin' in the county, blue khakis and black boots. Who could've snitched? It couldn't have been that bitch. So it all comes down to that so-called homie I used to kick it with. Ain't that a bitch? They had no evidence, so a player beat the case, and I'm back on the street safe. Yeah, you tried, nigga. So close your eyes and let me commence this homicide. Back in the hood in no time, I'm finna peel this cap, cause this mark dropped a dime and nine. Pissed off from under the seat, I grab the sword off. It's time to start the job where I left off. I strike the hood in my regal. Slump low, eyes leg low, because I'm evil. And plus I'm finna do a low-key hit. We rollin' 3 deep, me Kilo G and that nigga Tricks. Rolled up on they cut, making sure it's tight. We spotted them niggas slinging rocks, now hit the lights. We crept up on they set, hanging from the roof with my gap, busting shots, peeling caps. And that's just some of that gangsta shit for 9-6 on your ass. And I'm out. Now you can't even see me once I roll up on your shit. Cock back the hammer, Nina Ross, watch her spit. Hollow point tip, so prepare for the burial. I'm the Undertaker, and taking busters under. Subliminal styles I got to keep you busters thinking what? Your marks best not run up on my spot, cause I got a Glock and fucking 17 shots. So once you see that red dot, your ass is out. And I'm quick to pimp a hoe, since I'm a player who's been known to have bitches everywhere. North side to the east side, straight to the south side, even on the west side, worldwide. As I'm spitting to you worldwide. Straight gang coming worldwide. As I'm coming to you worldwide. Now this is just some player shit, I'm spitting to your niggas. Think about your money, don't get caught up with them bitches. Cause careless assholes have a game that they follow. Get you for your money break, can't leave you shallow. See, I'm a young player, and niggas they get jealous. Most the player haters wanna run up on a fella, but little did they know I got a Nina Smith & Wesson. Pop in the clip, semi-automatic spitting. Tore up his chest, had to run up in his hint. So don't judge a book by its cover on the pimp. Cause player shit is what I keep that make these hoes wonder. How in the hell I'm so slick, a digging these hoes and taking them under. Making my money on that, you can't see me tip. Pimping hoes when they try to renege on that shit. You got to give 110% when you's a max. Sit back, stay high as I'm coming to you worldwide. As I'm coming to you worldwide. Gang spitting to you worldwide. As I'm coming to you worldwide. Now I'ma break it down with the sounds from the underground. From here to California, back to the bus town. Not like these other player haters out here popping pills. Never fake the player shit because I'm coming real. Sit back and rap on how I piss these bitches coming up. All these hoes making my bankroll, thinking I swing the liquor, nigga, and show no fear. And pull out the remainders for my partners who ain't here. And crush the 40 ounces on the curb as I roll through. A pocket full of Trojans, ain't no doubting where I'm heading to swoop me a bitch. And keep it on the low pro, cause if it ain't low pro, it's a chance I'll get caught by another hoe. And we can't have that in the city where I'm from. Player haters, they act dumb, diddy dumb. Here I comes with my gun, commence in a red rum. Player miss with gangsta shit, no need for poking rocks to keep your body numb. Cause I'ma bring it to you quicker. Worldwide, worldwide, do you hear it coming, nigga? Yeah, niggas out there, take this shit easy. As you come up with this pimp shit, spitting straight gang from Midwest with that sex in your chest. Y'all got to get hip to this shit. As I'm coming to you worldwide. Straight gang coming worldwide. As I'm coming to you worldwide. Straight gang coming worldwide. Drop to the top and took my Glock off safety. Staying alert for young niggas living shady. I have my 380 under my seat just in case and some funk jumps off in the Glock needs replacement. Now I'm tasting on that smooth Alex-A. Rolling hot as hell, pocket full of yay. But oh well, I bounce the strip so niggas don't trip. Cause I'll be mobbing with my niggas with this no side shit. Now what's up? Don't even front cause it's about that time for you to crack your head and see it rolling down with that bomb. Cause I'm the nigga that's always creeping. Bitches they steady beeping. That nigga that's quick to sex you while you sleeping. So peep my swoop, I'm smooth like that. It be that player listed pimpin' docious smooth ass Mac. And keep your gat, don't slack. Cause if your strap ain't fat, you be another dead statistic with your back on the mat. And perhaps it's a fact, living it back, taking this shit lax and living it real in the back of the city of Max is where they dwell at. Cause where I'm from, hoes, hostile fools, and playing dummies for their money. But this player's too smooth to get caught up in that trap. And so I dip and slip out of the trap that these bitches be running game to pimp shit. shit. I thought you knew I'm living all tight. Coming up in the city straight, living that player's life.
Growing up in the city, you ain't got
I'm straight living that player's life. Steady living that player's life. I'm steady living that player's life. See how that we do me. I swoop up a hoochie, next move is the jacuzzi, man. It ain't no thing on this game that I slang. I'm turning boys to men and simps to pimp shit. It ain't no slipping, I'm pimping, steady dipping in my lap, burning a sack with that Mac in my lap crack. Any player hater try to test mine, so you best to back up or get that body traced in chalk line. Now I'm bent down off that herb. Pause for a second as I swerve through the curb. Beat the hoe on 23rd with a fat ass butt. So I threw my shit in neutral as I tucked in, I cut wood. I see some player hating niggas. Me mother nigga, I ain't even tripping. It's just that player big pimpin'. Don't act the fool and I won't shoot. So I told her jump in the ride as I glide in the coupe. It's 1, 2 for the hoes. I hit the liquor store and grab my 40 now I suppose. You wanna play or hate this pimp just because my bank rolls deep and your ass can't compete. Trick, you best to keep your distance, cause I'm relentless. And the tactics of busting your ass and be consistent. And make sure your game is locked tight, cause every hoe that I know is out for the dough ride. See niggas miss the whole concept of being a player, thinking that pimping is the only step. But yet, you got to play the whole field. Take care of your business and at the same time being real. Now there's a difference between a pimp and a trick, a gangster from a prankster, a player from a player hater. And that goes for your hoes, believe me, pimping ain't easy. In fact, it's kinda sleazy.
Growing up in the city, you ain't got
I'm straight living that player's life.